ਤੇ ਦੋਸਤੋ ਹੁਣ ਸਮਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਸੈਗਮੈਂਟ ਵਤਨ ਡੈਰੀ ਦਾ। ਪਿਛਲੇ ਦਿਨੀ ਅਲਬਰਟਾ ਦੇ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਹਾਊਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਲਬਰਟਾ ਸੂਬੇ ਦੇ ਕੁਝ ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰਸ ਤੇ ਐਮਐਲਏਜ਼ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇੰਡੋ ਕੈਨੇਡੀਅਨ ਭਾਈਚਾਰੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖਰੀਆਂ ਸੰਸਥਾਵਾਂ ਦੇ ਰਿਪਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟੇਟਿਵਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਗੈਰ ਰਸਮੀ ਮੀਟਿੰਗ ਰੱਖੀ ਗਈ। ਇਸ ਮੀਟਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਡੋ ਕੈਨੇਡੀਅਨ ਭਾਈਚਾਰੇ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਲਾਂ ਸੁਣੀਆਂ ਗਈਆਂ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਸੁਝਾਅ ਲਏ ਗਏ ਤੇ ਇਸੇ ਮੀਟਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਕੁਝ ਕਲਿੱਪਸ ਆਪ ਸਭ ਦੇ ਲਈ।
Issues that came up included things, of course, to do with healthcare, things to do with immigration, issues pertaining to family violence and what we're doing about it.
Diversifying our economy here in Alberta, we're very dependent on obviously oil and gas.
Alberta being known as richest and very wealthy province, and we never had that kind of deficit.
That if we have to prolong the paying of a deficit, that's fine.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to, as I just said, you don't want to kill today for tomorrow. You want to make sure that I'm a small businessman.
People don't realize it, but it was gas royalties that really drove the large royalty incomes for our budget. And we've put a significant amount of that into investment. The Heritage Savings Trust Fund, of course, had a little over $20 billion. That went down. The investment portfolio went down, so it was about $16 to $17 billion. But that was the mainstay of it. Now, in addition to that, of course, there's several $1 billion in the Alberta Heritage Medical Research Endowment Fund and the Alberta Ingenuity Fund for Endowment Fund, and there's money in the Alberta Access to the Future Fund for post-secondary education.
During the Thornley speech, there is a plan of the government of Alberta to expand the trade with Asia.
Of course, the Premier's Bill 1, which is the Asia trade and increasing our exports to Asia in general, but specifically to India, China, Japan, and Korea, and of course education, environment, and seniors issues. So these are all issues that we're working on very hard, and our budget will reflect that we are taking these issues seriously and doing something about it.
Anywhere in the Gurdwara priest came, they have studied at least 10 to 15 years. Why the immigration minister asked, they have a speak in English.
A teacher working in my school, in a private school, teaching Punjabi, which is a heritage language in Alberta, who has an MA, Master of Arts in Punjabi and MEd, can't get certified because they want a ridiculous, percentage on a TOEFL. They're asking a person who did Masters in Punjabi, and they're asking her to get a TOEFL score, which I, who has been raised here since grade 7, 8, I can't get that.
Usually comes over here under a federal stream, and they fall under the skilled worker category under a federal stream. And the federal government has had a minimum language requirement, and I have some bad news for you. That requirement actually has been elevated by federal government starting April 1st of this year.
Quebec basically controls its own immigration, and there was a consensus around our table. I thought that we had a discussion on the same lines, that we might be able to do a better job in Alberta.
At the last immigration minister's table, I offered federal government actually our resources to process number of their applications for them. For example, their family stream applications right now are backlogged up to 7 years.
It's critically important that we deal with that. And the speech from the throne yesterday they're proposing some new legislation. Will be the toughest legislation in all of Canada with respect to violence in families, violence against women and children, and other areas. And the safe community initiatives that our government has really pushed hard on.
Which are natural, that we can, prevent diseases that can be going forward. And
the major problem is there are long queues at hospitals.
A group of people was brought in with a lot of expertise in that area on how to manage a $1.3 billion deficit. Ultimately, it couldn't be done without negatively impacting frontline services, so we as a government took that over. So today is a lot different than a year ago than 2 years ago. Today, we need a different set of people on the board with a different skill set. So the skill set that was identified was people specifically should be on the board who have more medical experience. The purpose of this meeting, of course, was to sit, listen, talk, have a meaningful dialogue on what is on the mind of people in the greater Edmonton area.
I would like to thank everyone for being here today. This was a very informative community consultation organized by the Government of Alberta, where we heard from the community on a wide range of issues, from immigration to employment standards to educational credentials, recognition of foreign credentials. So I think the consultation we had today and the dialogue we had with the community, I think it's going to go a long ways. We had 4 ministers here today who were here in person to listen to what the community had to say on various issues.
Unique stone and tiles, residential ਤੇ commercial flooring ਲਈ granite, ceramic ਤੇ porcelain tiles, carpet, lino, hardwood ਤੇ laminate flooring ਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਨਦਾਰ selection ਅਤੇ ਵਾਜਬ ਕੀਮਤਾਂ ਲਈ ਪਧਾਰੋ Unique stone and tiles ਤੇ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਪਰਮ ਗਿੱਲ ਤੇ ਜੈਸ ਗਿੱਲ ਖਿੜੇ ਮੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ। Special discount for builders, address 9408 62nd Avenue, ਤੇ ਟੈਲੀਫੋਨ ਨੰਬਰ 7809881492, Unique stone and tiles.
वेलकम टू बिग बॉस। सो देवी और सजनों, हमने आपके लिए एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सेल का एहतमाम किया है। तो दोस्तों, मैं ये मेंशन करना यहाँ पे ज़रूर चाहूँगी कि ये बेडरूम स्वीट एक बहुत ही अच्छी कीमत पर लगा हुआ है। इसकी ओरिजिनल प्राइस थी 8500, जो कि अब 3999 का है, और इसमें 6 पीस शामिल है। तो 6 पीस का मतलब है हेडबोर्ड, फुटबोर्ड, रेल्स, ड्रेसर, मिरर एंड वन नाइट स्टैंड। और इसमें हमने आपके लिए एक और भी चीज़ का इजाफा किया है। बुझिए भला क्या? वो है माइक्रोवेव, ब्यूटीफुल माइक्रोवेव दैट यू विल गेट फ्री विद दैट। सो जल्दी कीजिए और पहुंचिए बिग बॉस फर्नीचर एंड अप्लायंसेस, 4220 99 स्ट्रीट। सो दोस्तों, जिस सोफे पे मैं बैठी हुई हूँ, इसकी असल कीमत है 4000, और हमने आपके लिए इसको सिर्फ 1999 का लगाया है। और इसमें है 3 पीस शामिल, जिसमें सोफ़ा, लव सीट और चेयर है। और साथ ही साथ हमने उन लोगों के लिए जो सबसे पहले मंडे को यहाँ पे बिग बॉस पे पहुँचेंगे, उनको ये टेबल जो कि 3 पीस हैं बिल्कुल फ्री दिए जाएंगे, और उनकी कीमत है 799। सो 799 की वैल्यू के टेबल लेने के लिए फ़ौरन पहुँचिए बिग बॉस फर्नीचर एंड अप्लायंसेस पे। So guys, we have beautiful appliances. Come and take a look. We have very reasonable prices. We have a wide range of appliances at Big Boss Furniture and Appliances.
The style, the color, the selection. You want it all? Then come to Big Boss Furniture and Appliances. We design the whole house so that you get the whole look. Edmonton ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਭਾਈਆਂ ਦਾ ਇੱਕੋ ਇੱਕ ਫਰਨੀਚਰ ਐਂਡ ਅਪਲਾਇੰਸਸ ਸਟੋਰ, ਬਿਗ ਬੌਸ ਫਰਨੀਚਰ ਐਂਡ ਅਪਲਾਇੰਸਸ, 4220 99 ਸਟਰੀਟ, ਤੇ ਫੋਨ ਨੰਬਰ 7804304346, ਬਿਗ ਬੌਸ ਫਰਨੀਚਰ ਐਂਡ ਅਪਲਾਇੰਸਸ।
ਐਡਮਿੰਟਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਿਐਲਿਟੀ ਐਗਜ਼ੈਕਟਿਵ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਜਾਣੇ ਪਛਾਣੇ ਰੀਅਲਟਰ ਹਰਜੀਤ ਸੰਧੂ। ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ, ਕਮਰਸ਼ੀਅਲ, ਇਨਵੈਸਟਮੈਂਟ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਰਟੀ, ਛੋਟਾ ਜਾਂ ਵੱਡਾ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਟਲ ਜਾਂ ਮੋਟਲ ਦੀ ਡੀਲ ਲਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਹੀ ਫੋਨ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਇੱਕ ਭਰੋਸੇਯੋਗ ਨਾਂ ਲਈ, ਭਰੋਸੇਯੋਗ ਸਰਵਿਸ ਲਈ ਹਰਜੀਤ ਸੰਧੂ, 233-3100।
ਇੰਡੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਜਲਦੀ ਪੈਸੇ ਮੰਗਵਾਉਣੇ ਹੋਣ ਜਾਂ ਭੇਜਣੇ ਹੋਣ ਤਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਮਨੀ ਐਕਸਚੇਂਜ ਦੇ ਬਿੱਕਰ ਗਿੱਲ ਹੋਣ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਚੇਤੇ ਰੱਖੋ। ਫੋਨ ਨੰਬਰ 7809931463, ਪੰਜਾਬ ਮਨੀ ਐਕਸਚੇਂਜ।